This is the most effective way to search for jobs. For this, we're going to be using LinkedIn, and the first thing you want to do is set some search filters. For us, we're looking for a marketing specialist role, remote work. You can search for Colorado in the States to get salary transparency, and then we also want to only search for jobs in the last week, since that's going to be our best chance to actually get seen. Next thing we're going to do is open up the Teal Chrome extension as we're searching. With the tool open, as we click on new roles, it's going to automatically update and give us some details like salary and hard skills, so you don't have to go reading for that. Then once we do find a job that we like, rather than saving it with LinkedIn, we're going to save it here with our Chrome extension. This is where your role is going to get saved to. It's the Teal job tracker, and your most recent role is right here at the top. First thing you'll notice here is probably all these highlighted words. These are keywords that are important to the role, and your job is to make sure that these show up on your application material. First place to get those in is your resume, so take a look at the list of hard skills here. What we recommend is putting them in your professional summary and then your top achievements, since that is going to be what gets read first. You can also add them into your skills section for any keyword flagging a system might do. And with your resume all updated and ready to go, you can export out a temporary copy and then move on to applying.